Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss decoder in digital electronics. It is an important circuit in data handling. We will see its definition of working, logic diagram, and at last we will see how to construct it on breadboard using IC. Let's consider its definition. It is a digital circuit which takes bits, which we call code, as input and tells its presence at specified output. Consider here we have a simple kind of decoder with 2 inputs and 4 outputs. We want that whenever both A0 and A1 becomes 0, 0, it is represented at O1. Whenever 0, 0 is detected, its presence is shown at O1. Whenever 0, 1 is detected, its presence is shown at O2. How it is shown? Whenever 0, 0 occurs, O1 will become active and remaining outputs will become inactive. Whenever, for example, 1, 1 occurs at inputs, O4 will become active and remaining outputs will become inactive. Next, here we can see that a simple AND gate can be used as a decoding element. For example, if we want to decode a combination 0, 1, where A0 is 1 and A1 is 0. A0 is as it is already a 1, it is simply connected to AND gate, and A1 is 0, so it will first be inverted by NOT gate, and this will become 1 at its output. Both these lines will be connected to AND gate, and whenever this combination occurs at A0 and A1 input, O1 will become active and it will become high. AND gate is active high decoder, and we can also use NAND gate, but it will be active low decoder. For full working of the decoder, we will use 4 AND gate for 4 outputs. So this is the logic diagram of the for the decoder we mentioned before. Next we will see how to construct this circuit on breadboard using IC. To construct the circuit we can use two IC 7404, which consists of NOR gates, and 7408, which consists of AND gates. First of all, we assume that uppermost line of the breadboard is at high voltage and next line to is at low voltage. This low voltage is also drawn to lowermost line by a red line connection. And next we will have to connect a VCC of both IC to high voltage. VCC of 7404 is the first line at the top from left, and similarly for 7408 VCC is here, and we also connect the ground of both IC to low voltage, which are here. Ground of 7404 is at this line and it will be connected to low voltage, and similarly for 7408. We also have connected these two vertical lines by a connection, a red line connection, and set it as A0. Similarly for A1. Here green lines with red dots represents LEDs, and this LED shows O1, and next to it represents O2. this is O3 and this is O4. Next, I have shown all the connection by red line. You can make the circuit by watching this construction. Please share your results in comment section. I would be delighted to help you out if you face any difficulty. And if you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel.